Hello everyone, hope you are fine. In this video, I would like to talk about some useful locate command. We can use it on Linux. So the first thing we have to know, or we want to know, that locate command refers to a database to find what user is looking for. And this database is located under sudo ls, and this database is located under /var /lib /mlocate /mlocate.db. So the first command in this video, we can use it to print some information about this database mlocate.db. So locate with option -s, capital yes, S, sorry. And this command give you the emplacement of this database and the number of directories, number of files, and some data about the quantity or amount of data stored and used by this database. So, and it's necessarily to update this database. So, to update the database, we can use this command sudo update db like this. So now the database is updated. So the third command in this video, it will be how we can search for an exact file name. We can use locate only with no options. And then we can give the file name or the directory name, whatever. So for example, now I want to search /home like this. And on the output, we can, in the output of this command, we can see all the /home directories or files on my system, /home, /home, /ec2, etc. So, and we can also, if you want, for example, to use an exact file name using regular expressions, we can use locate with option -r for regular expression. For example, I want to search /etc with the regular expression $sign at the end of the line like this. And this command will give me all the output ended by /etc. If I delete -r like this, the output, it will be all directories contains /etc. But if I use the -r for regular expressions, $sign, it will give me also three outputs or three /etc at the end of this line. So I want to clear my screen. ls. So to search another option, we can use it to ignore the case distinctions, case sensitive. So I want to create another file /toto with a capital letter like this. So now I have two files called toto. The first one using all the capital letter toto, and the other file Toto is not in small letters. So if I type locate -I to ignore the case sensitive or case distinctions, and I want to type Toto like this. And Toto, as we can see, the output gives me also Toto in small letters. Why? Because the database is not updated. So I want to use now sudo update db like this. I want to retype the locate -I Toto like this. And as we can see now, the output gives me Toto in small letter and Toto with capital letter. So we have to put this database also on to keep this database updated. So if I want to use locate with no option Toto like this, it will give me only the file name Toto with capital letter. So -I to ignore the case distinction like this. Another useful command to count the number of found entries. For example, locate -I Toto capital letter gives me 3 found entries. If I want to know the exact number, I can add this option -C like this, and as you can see, -C, and C stands for count, gives me the exact number of found entries. If I want to use it with /etc locate -C /etc, the output, the number of files or the number of found entries is 769 entries. If I delete -C like this, so all these entries with -C, count all these entries. And the last example for today, we can use it to ignore using a new line for each entries. By default, if I reuse this example, on each line we can use an entry. So if I want to put all this entry on one line, or to suppress or to delete this new line for each entry, we can add minus this option, -0 like this, enter, and it will give me all this entry on one line like this. And of course, if you want to learn more about this command, we can also type locate -help like this. That's all for this video, and thank you for watching.